Okay, so here is the final update. I have planted those 2 days ago and then watered them and placed them in full sun. Hello friends, welcome to my gardening channel Growing Container. Today I am going to plant all these varieties in this big pot. I just want to see how they grow if we give them too much space. So I choose different varieties. This one is Echeveria, another type of Echeveria. So this one is also Echeveria. This one is green ice green plant and these are some sedums. So this one is Cryptosedum ghosty. These are all the leaves. So leaves propagation. So I fill this pot more than half with all the leaves, dry leaves, and then put some soil. This one that also have some leaves, and now I am going to put some rice husk on the top. Like that. So this pot is too big. This is 20-inch pot. That's why it requires too much soil. So now I am going to plant them in the center like that. They should be there here. So I am going to plant those two like that, and then I will see which one will come where. So usually Cryptosedum ghosty used to trail, so maybe I will plant them like that here and here, so they will trail at the bottom of the pot, so like that. And then I will place some other cuttings there, or maybe I will put them here like that. So the bigger plant will go there, that will grow big, and the smaller will stay there. Okay, here is the first plant that I have planted here, and now I am going to move this and plant it like there, and here I will plant some other thing. Okay, I have placed these two there, so they will trail. With the time they will move their location to this point. Right now they are at this, because sun were coming from that location in those pots. So now let's see what I am going to plant there, because I am thinking to plant this here. So let me remove this from the pot and then see what to do. Here are some leaves propagation, and this one is also a pup from a Havarthia. Okay, so I put this here because I think these ghosty won't let them survive, because they grow big and take all the space. So I will see if I put something there or not. Maybe I will put some pup later on. So now for the big things like this one, I will plant it here, like that at the base. They become too big, so I will put them there like that. So let me plant them and then show you. Okay, so I have put this there and put this there, and I will leave this space because it requires space to grow big. So now I am going to plant in the center and the side. So let me think, and then I will show you which plant fit there. I am thinking to put this here, but maybe here, then we'll see. Maybe I won't use this because they are small and those plants are big. They will take over them and they won't grow. So I will choose this one for now to put here. Okay, so I choose some other plant like this one and this one. This one is panda plant, and this one I want to put here so it gets some beauty. So let me first plant this and then we will see. Okay, so I have planted this. These plants get too big, so that's why I leave some space. Now I have to choose which one should I plant. I am thinking to plant this there. Let's see. Okay, I place this plant as well. So instead of this I choose this. because I will place this here. It has some stem, otherwise this one does not have stem, so this one look better there. Then we will plant some echeveria inside. Okay, so here is the update. Now I am going to plant these three there, and I will adjust this one as well. Otherwise all these I think so stay. Maybe I will adjust that panda plant as well. Let's see how it looks when it's finished. Okay, here is the update. I remove them from the pot, and now I will place them in the center, and I prepare some soil. It has peat moss, perlite, pumice, some rice husk, charcoal ash, rice husk ash, and enough I think some compost as well, and some little bit soil, sandy soil as well. So I am using this on the top only, the bottom portion. The 25% top is this portion, this is soil, and the 25 is sandy soil, and 50% is leaves, dry leaves. So this is the progress. Okay, so here is the final update. I have planted those 2 days ago and then watered them and placed them in full sun. So now you can see they are changing their direction. They are moving this way only in 2 days. And I have planted some other varieties like this one, Captosidum ghosty is another variety. This one is donkey tail cutting, and here's another echeveria. I think it is lipstick. This is the panda, and this is the flapjack. These are, I still don't remember. I think this is Captosidum ghosty, and this is very famous, but I forget the name. So this is the ice plant and calancho. So now you can see it looks beautiful. This cutting is still there, the monkey tail, and now it is looking good. Now I am spraying it every day in the morning. So the cuttings, this is also I think so hen and chicks. So mother is hen and it produces a lot of chicks. So these are the jelly bean and some sedum that spread so fast. These are some other small sedums, you see. So I have planted so many cuttings there. So let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Bye.